Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Noz, and guys, I have to say it's been a while. So you know what I've decided? I've decided to take this concept or content in a different way this time around. And what do I mean by that? What I mean is, guys, in the beginning when I started shooting my cooking videos, I was trying so hard to be perfect. Okay, not exactly hard, but I was trying to be perfect all the time, to cook things that I already know and to cook things that I know that they won't disappoint me. So now what I decided that I'm going to shoot whatever I'm interested in shooting, and whether I've done it before or not, I'm just gonna try it out. If I want to try it out first time with you guys, I'm gonna do that. And if I want to try out something that I already know, I'm still gonna do that, because my cooking videos are all about sharing what I know. So as you guys saw from my previous video, which was a vlog, spending a day with me, if you guys haven't watched it, I'll put the link up here. Is it here? I think it's here. I'll put the link up here, and then you guys can check it out. And that video, I was supposed to go to China City. Well, actually, I did go to China City. I was going to China City because I wanted to go check out some pots and some couple of stuff relating to catering. And the reason for that was because in December, guys, there's an event happening in December, and guess who's gonna be catering? Moi, 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 moi. So guys, I'm gonna be catering for the event, and so I was looking for stuff that I'm gonna be needing. Obviously, things such as plate warmers, like stoves and other things. So that's why I was going to China City. So I hope that is explained clearly to you guys so that we can move forward. So guys, now you're gonna be seeing more videos of my cooking, because I know that I've been a bit scarce in relations to that, but I am going to be posting a couple of cooking videos. So without wasting any time, today, I don't think you guys will be able to see that, but I'll just bring the camera close. But let me just explain. So today we are making blueberries. No. Let me say that again. Let's say that again. It didn't make sense at first. Today I am making a Malva pudding. And guess what I'm putting in it? Blueberries. Yes, you heard correctly. Blueberries. So guys, I'm making a Malva pudding, and I am making it with blueberries. So I hope that goes well. Let's just try and see, and actually let's just try it, and hopefully it's gonna work. So guys, let me not waste any more time of talking and just show you guys quickly the ingredients. Cool. Awesome. So as you guys can see, I already have everything set up. My ingredients are already measured. So obviously we're gonna need a bowl where we're gonna mix everything, and then we're gonna need okay, let me just start from the top and work my way down. So we're gonna need flour, which is 1 cup of flour, and we're gonna need sugar, which here I made about half a cup of sugar, and then we're gonna need 1.5 tablespoons of jam, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. I was supposed to have 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate soda, which is the same as baking soda, but I didn't realize that what was left was not enough, but I'm hoping that this is gonna work, which is 1/2 teaspoon, just close to 1/2 teaspoon. And then here we have a full teaspoon of baking powder, and then here we have about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and we also have about 1.5 tablespoon of butter. And then we also gonna need blueberries, of course. And lastly, our baking tray, which is also known as our cake tray, I think. So what I want to do first, guys, before I use this butter, I'm just gonna quickly set it here so that, you know, we have our tray ready. So this is our tray, it's done, and it's ready. So thus we can put it away. Okay guys, I almost forgot. We're gonna need 1 egg and a cup of milk. So what we're gonna do now, first thing we're gonna do is, okay, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our egg, hope you guys can see that. So we poured our egg, and then we're gonna pour in our vanilla essence, and then our butter, and then we're gonna put in our jam. Then we pour in our sugar, and we just mix all of that together. So the type of jam that I've used, guys, if you want to know, I'm using the mixed jam, the mixed fruit jam. Next, we're gonna pour in our vinegar, and then just a half of a cup vinegar, half, and then we're gonna pour in half of our milk. And then we're gonna pour our bicarbonate. Oh gosh, this is like 50 pieces small. Hope it still works. And then we pour in our baking soda, our baking powder. And then we pour in our salt. Pour in the rest of our flour. And then milk. Pour in our blueberries. So this we are gonna bake for up to 30 minutes. Depending on your oven, you just need to check in now and then. But we're baking it for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. Awesome. Okay, so here guys, we are gonna need this. We are making because we're pouring it at the top of our cake just to make the cake all moist. So we're gonna need half a cup of milk, some sugar, and lastly vanilla essence. I don't know if I told you, vanilla essence is half a teaspoon, and sugar, we made it 30 ml of sugar, which is 15 grams of sugar. So we're just gonna quickly pick this up, and we're gonna pour it on top of our Malva pudding. So let me just quickly heat this up for 5 minutes. Sorry guys, so we ended up doing it for 3 minutes instead of 5 minutes. It's all ready. Let's put it here. So what we do now, we just pour it in. think that's enough. So we're just gonna leave it to soak in. So we have our Malva pudding here and our custard here.